Area 51. The most controversial place in the world for alien and UFO conspiracy. However, if Area 51 were actually an extraterrestrial alien base, it would have profound and far-reaching implications for humanity and our understanding of the universe. Here are some potential consequences and considerations. Global impact. The revelation of an alien base on Earth would be one of the most significant events in human history. The revelation of an alien base on Earth would have widespread and profound effects on global politics, economies, and societal beliefs. Governments around the world would have to navigate new diplomatic and security challenges, and religious and cultural beliefs might also undergo significant shifts. The presence of an alien base on Earth would raise security concerns, as governments and organizations might seek to understand the intentions and capabilities of the alien inhabitants. Ethical questions about how to interact with the alien species and respect their rights would also arise. Confirmation of extraterrestrial life. The existence of an alien base at Area 51 would provide concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life, revolutionizing our understanding of life beyond Earth. It would confirm that we are not alone in the universe and open up endless possibilities for further exploration and communication with advanced civilizations. Paradigm shift in science. Our understanding of the universe, physics, and biology would undergo a paradigm shift. We would need to revise scientific models and theories to account for the existence of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. The existence of extraterrestrial life, especially if advanced beings were found on Earth, would raise profound questions about the origins of life, the nature of existence, and our place in the cosmos. It could prompt a reevaluation of religious beliefs and worldviews. Technological advancements. If humans had access to alien technology at Area 51, it could lead to significant technological advancements. Studying in reverse. Engineering extraterrestrial technology might result in breakthroughs in energy, transportation, medicine, and other scientific fields. The discovery of an extraterrestrial alien base would revolutionize our understanding of astrobiology, astronomy, and physics. Scientists would be eager to study the technology, biology, and culture of the alien inhabitants, leading to groundbreaking advancements in multiple scientific fields. Security and disclosure. The existence of an alien base being kept secret for an extended period would raise questions about government transparency and accountability. The revelation would likely lead to demands for full disclosure of all information related to UFOs and extraterrestrial encounters. Scientific collaboration. The discovery of an alien base would prompt unprecedented scientific collaboration and cooperation among countries. The shared goal of understanding and interacting with extraterrestrial life might unite nations in ways previously unimaginable. Ethical and moral questions. Discovering an alien base would raise numerous ethical and moral questions, such as how to interact with these beings, what rights they have, and how to ensure peaceful coexistence. It's important to note that while the idea of Area 51 being an alien base is a popular subject in fiction, there is no credible evidence supporting such a claim in reality. As of my last update in September 2021, Area 51 remains a classified military facility, and there is no scientific consensus or proof of extraterrestrial activity at the site. Scientific discoveries related to extraterrestrial life continue to be a subject of ongoing research and investigation.